Hello, this is Mr. Allegro with another tutorial on how to work with Google Docs. Today's topic we're going to talk about is how to cut and paste within a Google Doc, say whether a word, a sentence, or even a whole paragraph if you need. First, I'm going to open up a quick Google Doc explaining the steps. Let's take a second to read. Step 1 is to highlight what you would like to cut and paste. Highlight is just browsing over your word, holding down your mouse. Step 2 is to press the Control button and the C button at the same time. If you look down at your keyboard, in the bottom row you'll see a button called the Control button. Here's a visual. Sometimes the Control button is actually written CTRL, the abbreviation, or the whole word control appears. On Macs, unfortunately, we're using the Command button. But on Google Chromebooks, all we're going to do is use the Control button. We're also going to press the C button. It's above in almost 2 to 3 letters to the right. When we do that, we are going to hold down both the Control and C at the same time. So let's try. I've highlighted my passage. The second step says to hold the Control and C button down at the same time, which I have done. You should see a brief flash above in your toolbar under the heading Edit. Step 3 says to position your cursor to where you would like to paste. This is my cursor. I'm going to place my cursor where I'd like to paste. For this activity, I'm going to go down a couple lines. Make sure your blinking cursor is blinking, and then you can move to step 4. Step 4 says to press the Control button and the V button at the same time. Again, the Control button is on your bottom row. For Mac users, it's also the Command button on your bottom row. And above it, both 4 letters over to the right, is the V button. If we press those 2 buttons together at the same time, you should see what you highlighted pasted where your cursor was lined up. Again, you can do this with words, or even a whole paragraph, even a page if you need. But remember, don't copy and paste everything onto a document that aren't your words. That's plagiarism. One more time, and there we have it. Thanks.